Identity theft is a real threat, and it can happen anywhere, anytime, to anyone. So we have to be vigilant in protecting our private information. Protect yourself from identity theft and erase all traces of sensitive information with the Miseyo Identity Theft Protection Roller Stamp. It's a stamp that completely covers any data that you may want to keep private. Now you can throw away documents without worrying about your privacy. This stamp has a unique pattern of randomly rotated characters that conceals whatever is printed underneath. It works great on your addresses, phone numbers, credit card bills, social security numbers, prescription bottles, and any other sensitive documents you may want protected. For best results, it is recommended that you avoid using it on coated paper, glossy paper, and paper with rough texture. It's lightweight and compact, a handier and more affordable alternative to paper shredder. Recycle instead of shredding. It works great on any size of document because of its wide coverage and adjustable length. The ink dries instantly, so it's quick, clean, and easy to use. Just swipe. The total length of stamp coverage can reach up to 100 meters fully inked, and the ink can be refilled in the stamp side when ink runs out. That means unlimited re-inking for complete data protection whenever you need it.